Hi guys, Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about how to use the smartphone app with the Athena GET ECU for the 2018-2019 KTM and Husqvarna 250 and 300 fuel-injected two-stroke models, the TPI and I models. So here's the app. It says, you can see it says GET on it. The real name of it is YGET. And you can download that on the App Store. If you'd want to pause this video and download the app and then follow along, there is a demo mode which you can use to follow along in this video, which might help you understand it and learn it. There's a lot to this app. I'm just going to touch on the tuning part of it. So to back up just a little bit here, the GET ECU comes with a 2-map switch that goes in your handlebar, and it comes with this little box. This is the Wi-Fi box that connects into the GET ECU. And I mount them down here. I just use a double-sided tape and I mount them down here in the ear box. Probably kind of hard to see in this video, but the lights on it will light up here in just a minute. So if you want to do this in your garage at home without stinking up your garage by having your bike running, you can just use this wake up dongle that comes with your bike. If you're out on the trail, you can just leave the bike idle, or at the track, wherever you are, and just let it idle, and then the app will work. So first thing you have to do here is either start the bike or plug in this wake up dongle. And it takes a minute or two here for the system to come alive. Let's see here, you can see the red light has started. Now we're waiting for the green light. So now we've got a green light, so now we're ready to go in here. Let's see, just have to go into settings, and then Wi-Fi. Now, I should back up just a little bit here. On this box, you can see it says, this number here, this 4-digit number, 5515, for this particular box, they all have different numbers. So on my bike here is a 5570, and that's what pulled up on the Wi-Fi. And then this is the password down here at the bottom. So the very first time you open this up, you have to put in the password, but then it retains that, and you should not have to do that again for future sessions with this. So you can see I'm logged in here. Now you can see it's got my home Wi-Fi here, and sometimes it just tries to go into that first. You got to kind of monkey around with it a little bit to get it to pick up this, but anyhow, so it's locked in. So I've got a Wi-Fi signal. So now I can get out of here, go over to the app, tap on it, and then let's see, it's coming up from demo mode. This is kind of weird. Oh, there we go. So sometimes you just have to wait on this thing. It's a little bit slow at the beginning. So the demo mode has all these same things in it, so you can look at them if you want. So we're just going to focus on the tuning section here. There's a lot of different functions and features in this app, but it'd be a very long video if I went into that. Plus, I don't even know how to totally use all those different features. I focus on getting the job done, and that's the tuning section. So in here we've got ignition and injection. This gear cut thing doesn't apply to these bikes. So ignition, you can go in there and change the timing if you'd like. I don't recommend that, so we're going to go back to the injection. And when you go in there, this controls, the air-fuel ratio. So we preload, when we sell you these GET ECUs, We preload them with our proprietary maps that I've developed. I've worked for several months now developing these maps, and then if in the future, if we have any updates, you get those for free. All you got to do is send your box back. You just got to pay for freight. But the maps throughout the life of this unit that you have your bike, we will update it for free if we have something that will help you. Or if you just want, say you've changed from a stock head to a high compression head, we'll update that for free as well. So you can see here, this is map 1, this is map 2. It says map 2 right there, but it's just not, it does say map 1 right there, I guess. Anyhow, map 1, map 2, I've got map 1 flat, so at 0. And so that means it's going totally off the pre-programmed map. And then map 2, I've been messing with that some. I've got it 5% leaner. So if you want to make it richer, so you can just start hitting the plus button over here, and you can see that this progress bar turned yellow. It's got to be green like that. So you've made the adjustment, but you haven't applied the adjustment yet. So you got to go down here to the set button, this arrow. You hit that, and then you hit yes. Give it a minute, and now you can see the progress bar is green, so that means it's loaded into the ECU. So that change that you made is now loaded in the ECU. So this is really handy out on the trail or at the track. I mean, if you think your bike, say you're going up in elevation and you think your bike's getting a little rich, well, then just stop, leave your bike idle, whip out your phone, and make a change. You know, I'm going to put this back where I had it so I don't forget it later. But I was up at really high elevation the other day, that's why I made this change. So let's see, apply that, and then hit set, hit yes, and bam, it's done. I mean, it's that simple. It's a very easy to use app. It's a very powerful app. Like I said, it's got a lot of different functions and features. You can explore those in the demo mode, and then you know, work it out from there. So one thing I want to remind you of is this dongle. If you leave this plugged in and come back tomorrow, your battery will be dead. So don't forget to unplug that after you're doing this. And then, you know, the lights should shut off. The system is shut down at that point. If you have any questions about this, you're welcome to drop me an email at info@slavensracing.com. And I'll be, like I said before, I'll be posting some videos in the next few days here on the benefits of the GET ECU. It is a huge plus on these TPI models. And I'll go into that in detail when I post those other videos. That's all for now.